Hi all. See this, in this particular problem, obviously we have to integrate, right? But we are having a limit, and see that the limits are pi by 4 to 3 by 4, right? And so that's why we just first consider the indefinite integral corresponding to this. So let us consider that integration I, which is equal to integration of dx divided by 1 plus cos x. Now we'll multiply the denominator and numerator by 1 minus cos x for this particular problem first. So if I multiply, we'll get it as 1 minus cos square x, and 1 minus cos square x gives you sin square x. So therefore we'll get it as 1 minus cos x divided by sin square x. So therefore we'll get it as integration of 1 by sin square, that gives you cosec. And here we'll get it as cos x by sin x, so therefore cot x. So cosec x cot x. Now both for integration can be done. Integration of cosec square x, integration of cosec square. So we already know that ddx of tan x is sec square x, ddx of cot x is minus cosec square x. So therefore if I do the integration, we'll get it as minus cot x. And here we'll have that plus cosec x plus some arbitrary constant c. So therefore we'll have the final answer. We can write it as cosec x minus cot x plus arbitrary constant c. Now if I substitute that limit now, let us consider that as I1, that is pi by 4 to 3 by 4 dx divided by 1 plus cos x. So obviously without any problem we can write down that it is actually cosec x minus cot x pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4. That's it. Let's substitute the appropriate values. So therefore we'll get it as cosec 3 pi by 4 minus cot 3 pi by 4 minus cosec pi by 4 minus cot pi by 4. Now see that we can easily apply that formula or value of 3 pi by 4, but we don't use it here. I'll just use the basic normal approach, okay? So that's why we can easily say that this cosec 3 pi by 4 can be written as cosec pi minus pi by 4 minus cot pi minus pi by 4, and we have the remaining thing as it is. So just repeat that thing. So cot pi by 4. Okay, let's go ahead. Now see that what is cosec pi minus pi by 4? Pi minus pi by 4 means the angle lies in the second quadrant, because pi minus pi by 4 means this is the angle. So the angle lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, right, obviously we know that cosec are having the positive value. Why? All signs. So sine is positive, cosec is positive, remaining all are negative. So therefore we can say that the required value can be written as cosec pi by 4 minus plus cot pi by 4 minus cosec pi by 4 plus cot pi by 4. So therefore we can get it as 2 cot pi by 4, and the final value is 2. So that's why for this particular problem, obviously option B is the correct option. For somebody who are able to remember that 3 pi by 4 values, right, you can easily use that. So that's why you'll get root 2 minus 1 on all that calculation. You can go ahead, right? So you can follow that step as well. But here I just show you the steps. If someone need it, you can easily understand that. Hope you understood the problem. Thank you.